some other things in here, okay? So very slowly, very slow. Oop! Excuse me.
Ruby, what are you doing? Are you helping the mixing?
Okay, so we're going to put some salt in. Ready? Okay, no, wait a minute. Okay, we need 1.5 of these. All right, there we go. You stir it in. Okay. And then we need some
banana.
Oh, wow. I think we need to put some sugar in. How about that? Is it messy? That's where you wipe your hands on an apron, yeah.
Good job, Ruby.
Okay, here's some sugar. 1, we need 6 of these. You count them for me.
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
That's it.
7.
Ah, good job. Good job. Now mix them up. Mix it gently. Mix it gently. Gently, gently. Yaya will hold the bowl. See, this is, whoops. This is the way Yaya makes it. Just very gently like that. Can you do that?
I put the sugar in here.
We did put the sugar in.
I put the sugar right there and right here and over here.
We did. We did. Now we need to put some baking powder in. Do you know why we put baking powder in? Because the baking powder makes our pancakes puff up. 1. We're going to do 5 of these. Tell me. Ready? Okay, you count. This is number 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, now you stir that.